and on we'll go.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's phone collection. I know it's been like a month since I've uploaded a video, guys. I'm going to get back on my routine. I'm still working on the house. It's going to be like another month, but I'm going to still make videos. I guess right now on my bed because I have no other place to do it right now. But I ordered this off of eBay. I've had it here for a couple days. Haven't even opened it yet because I've been waiting. I have picked up some more phones since this, so I will do like an update as soon as I get my office back together. It's really hard to do one-handed. So I picked this one up for $16. It was advertised, I think, as is, if I remember right. I already have one of these, but there's really hard to find another one, and this one had the box. You can see there's an Alltel and Samsung device. Like I said, I will be getting back on my regular videos. I do got a couple drop tests I can go do, so those will be coming out pretty soon. Make sure this isn't anything important. Alright, so just like a little letter about a feedback. So here it is. It's another U420, except for this one is boxed. So let's go and pull it out. Looks like it has a lot of other stuff in it, so the box isn't sitting right. I'm just going to take a look at the phone real quick. There will be an unboxing of this as well. So there's that. So here's the phone. Pretty decent shape. Actually, I think it's in better shape than the other one I have. No power, but does have a replacement battery in it. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, guys, so here's a little unboxing. Like I said, I'll add more videos pretty soon, guys. Just give me a little bit more time so I can get everything back together, because I don't want to do my videos in between this, because I want to make sure they're all consistent with the rest of them. So don't worry, I'll be posting more videos pretty soon. I'm still ordering phones, so I'm going to like hold off on the unboxings of the phones I buy. So just want to go and give you this one, guys, and hope you enjoyed the video.